Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how can you create multiple folders within a single click from your Excel sheet. And also you can change the folder location within a single click of a button also. This is the Excel file, and column A is having the name of the folders to be created. Whatever the names which are given in column A starting from the cell A2 to down, it will be created. In the column B, it will give a reason, if any, if whether the folders are not created because of any reason. In the column C, it will give us the actual folder name used. If you are clicking create folder, the folder will be created in a folder location which we set here by clicking this button, change folder location. So if I click the create folder, the Excel is asking me to set the folder location first. Okay. So by clicking on the change folder location, this is the location where I want the set of folders to be created. This is the location, and I click OK. So I get a dialog box saying it will be created inside this one. Click OK. Click on create folders. The folder names will be this one. The count of folders will be 7. If I click the create folders, I got a dialog box saying folders created 7, skipped 0, and check column B for details for the skipped one. Okay, in this one, warning, invalid character removed. The slash is removed, and this will be the actual folder names. And if you want to check open folder location, we can see there are 7 folders created. Close window, and we will try creating again in the same location, create folder. So we got a dialog box saying folders created, skipped 7, row highlighted in yellow, and check column B for details because the folder is already exists in the location. And what if there is a duplicate value? Let me put sales again as a duplicate. So this sale is a duplicate value here, and we will delete the folders in the location and try creating again. Folders created are 6 and 1 is skipped because the sales are duplicated, and it says duplicate name as a reason why the folder is not created. We will copy a list of new names for the folder which is having special characters in between. This one, this cell is having only the special characters. Let us try open the folder location and delete the folders which are created. Delete. We will create the folders again with these names provided. Create the folder. Folders created 13 and skipped 1 row. Most of them are created except one, because this one is only having the special characters. So we got the reason as invalid characters only after cleaning. So in this way you can create multiple folders in a location with a single click. I will provide the sample Excel file in the description. You can download and use it. That's all for the video. See you next time. Bye.